project of sewage treatment plant and terminal pumping station of capacity of 6.3 MLD has been constructed in a land of extent 1.2 acres along with the collection of sewage with underground drainage system for Mulbagil town allotted on tender basis by Karnataka Urban Water Supply and Sewerage Board and executed by Sri Shubha Sales, Bangalore. The technology adopted by the board for the treatment of sewerage is Soil Biotechnology (SBT) developed by IIT Bombay. The process scheme is as detailed. Raw sewage collected from Mulbagil town will be passed through mechanized coarse screens and degrading systems collected in wet well. Sewage from wet well will be pumped to the inlet chamber of sewage treatment plant by raw sewage pumps. The sewage will pass through fine screen to remove debris. The suspended solids will settle in high-rate gravity clarifier with tube settler packing, and suspended solid-free sewage will be collected in equalization tank. Sewage from equalization tank will be pumped to two-stage porous soil-based medium soil bioreactor for the removal of biological organics and nutrients. Pumped sewage will be uniformly distributed on top reactor with UPVC pipe network allowed to percolate through the soil bed of height 3.5 m. Finally, the treated sewage is collected in collection tank 2 and disinfected with chlorine before disposal into the lake. The treated water used for farming the nearest agricultural lands. Settled sludge from clarifier bottom will be dewatered by pumping the sludge to filter press and dry it in composting bed and disposed as sludge cake with more than 25% dryness of solids.